Let's discuss 5 ways to prevent thinning hair. The first couple are easy. Number one, hydration. A dry scalp has a hard time producing healthy hair. Now, it'll grow, you can grow hair, but you won't have that healthy hair. Healthy hair won't break as easily. Your hair is actually about a quarter water, so drinking about 4 to 8 cups a day will help keep that hydration factor in there and help the hair grow healthy, help reduce some of the breakage that you get at the same time, and then help keep the body hydrated and moist. Number 2, circulation. Circulation just involves combing or brushing your hair. So that helps massage the skin and gets that blood flowing, and then it helps stimulate the hair follicles at the same time. And then that'll just bring everything, get everything a little bit more lively for you. So number three is actually counterproductive to the blood circulation we just talked about for number 2, which is tobacco. Cigarette smoke actually reduces circulation and causes shrinkage because of the toxic chemicals that are actually found in tobacco and those cigarettes. Number 4 is your diet. So there's a bunch of healthy fats, healthy vitamins that actually help promote and stimulate that growth. There's a list of them over here that you can kind of go through and get an idea of how this helps promote and stimulate that growth. But it all comes down to just taking in those healthy fats, those healthy proteins, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B. Those are all good ones that help out with that, and just incorporating some of those foods in your diet. And number five, the last one is stress. De-stress yourself. Some good ways to de-stress is meditation, getting some exercise in, taking time to, get off of sometimes maybe social media, or just figuring out what those main stresses are in your life and try to cut down or mitigate those as much as possible. We all know some of that is also caused by work. So just making sure you incorporate some of that work-life balance and de-stress as much as possible. But stress also adds to, poor circulation, adds to thinning hair, adds to a lot of different health factors that you have. So de-stressing is actually a good regulation for you.